Hi friends, this is 5 Minute Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can activate edge panels and customize edge panel in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. Here, near volume buttons, if you swipe from right side to left side, a shortcut will open, but here it's not opening because the settings is not turned on. So if you want to activate here the edge panels, yes, you can do it. For that, what you have to do is just go to the settings of phone here and go to display, then go to edge panels and turn on this button edge panels. Now we will get edge panels if you swipe from right side to left side near volume down or volume up button. Yes, these are all the items available in edge panels. So these are only actually shortcuts to the some of the specific apps, like settings, gallery, messages, YouTube, Chrome. So these are all available. Just you can swipe and directly you can go to those shortcut. Yes, I have gone to Google Chrome. If you want to customize this edge panel, that means if you want to place your own desired app in edge panel, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is swipe here and go to this edit icon, pencil icon, and you can include many things as per your wish. Here I would like to use clock. Just track clock like this and place here. Yes, I have placed. And if you want to add Facebook, just touch on Facebook here and track and paste here. And if you want to add email, just click here and yes, you can do it. If you want to remove some of the items from edge panel, yes, you can do it. If you don't like this YouTube, just click it and it will go away. And if you don't want Google Chrome, just click here, click those minus symbol and it will go away. So in this way you can easily customize edge panel. If this is final, just leave it and go back and now swipe here, and these are all the edge panels now. So in this way you can easily remove or easily add or remove some of the items in edge panels and customize as per your wish in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.